Hit okay. Did you do this row? Mm-hmm. What one did you try?
It's gotta be this row.
And let's try 503 again.
For context, we didn't have any. Mom didn't put any money in this thing. We just. Let me see your pockets. Look at all those. Look at all that candy. There's even more in there. And look, we just broke it.
5, 0, 9. Okay. Try you one of the.
I think we got enough.
I didn't even put any money in it.
You glitched up the strike machine.
Let's leave this poor. Let's leave this poor machine alone.
It's not going for the higher number
I
ones.
want to try that. No.
Try a honey bun.
Mm-mm.
Mom, we should leave this poor machine alone.
Oops. Nope.
It stopped.
502. 503.
Who wants free candy? It's like Halloween.
7. Look, it even shows under the price. Watch. 507. Price.
That's just nuts.